This 2023 Forest River Wildwood 29 VBUD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Forest River is 36 feet 2 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Capri interior, sleeps 10, smoke detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, slide-out, TV antenna, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Wildwood 29 VBUD is 7,728 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.